fly. Niggas always dummy, and I'm waiting from the empty slide. Change ways, niggas, no truth, no fly. Fuck a wet bread.
What is up, guys? Tommy here with Sinister Productions, bringing you guys another vlog. This is just going to be a really quick, short vlog. I don't really have a whole lot to post, but this is actually some exciting news for me. As you know, I have the 92 Skyline GTST that I've been able to do minor things here and there. But cool thing is, I've got a list. I'm going to show you that list. This is my office within my garage. I do have an office inside the house, but I kind of find it peaceful to have a little desk set up out here with my laptop and, you know, just some stuff like that. I got the radio out here. You know, I got a board on the wall here that's got both the projects, you know, a list of parts and things like that, a list of things that I want to do to the cars. So I do have a whiteboard up here that I do have some things on. So I'm going to show you that whiteboard really quick, and I've actually got a chance to mark off some things on this list. So we're really excited about that. So this is my whiteboard, okay? I keep track of all my two projects. I've got the Mustang, which is AKA Pumpkin Spice, and then I've got the 92 Skyline, which is AKA Side Piece. So I kind of keep track of like things here, and I write them down as I think about them, and I have it on the board. And essentially I've got a list for each of things that I kind of want to do. Sorry, there's like mosquitoes or something in here, but I have a few things here that I list that I think of that, you know, I kind of want to do to the car. As you can see here, I've got a pretty good substantial list. Most of this stuff is cosmetic that I want to do to the orange car, the supercharged Mustang GT. This stuff is things that I need or want to do to the Skyline to start with. So as you can see, I've actually marked off some things. I picked up the timing belt, water pump kit, all Nissan stuff finally. I did get the trans filter ordered for the automatic transmission. It's actually happened to come from Australia, so I'm waiting on that. I got the valve cover gaskets thanks to Terra Firma. You know, I've been dealing with those guys. They've been great. Got the water pump timing belt and valve cover gaskets and the trans filter seal or trans seal from them. As you can also see, got a couple things down here. GTR front bumper, GTR rear spoiler, Type M side skirts were GTR side skirts, same thing. Cam gears, gurney flap, things of that nature. I've actually got some blue checks there. So the blue checks are kind of the things that I've actually already gotten. So I've gotten these parts, but I just checked those off. So that's the big news. I've been looking for these parts, the GTR front bumper, GTR spoiler, and the Type M side skirts for a little bit since I've gotten the car, and I actually found some used parts. This is a used GTR spoiler. It is not a factory one. This is an aftermarket one. Needs a little bit of work. It's not too bad, but it's got some spots in it that need to be repaired. So I am going to be repairing all this stuff before I put it on the car. That did come on this trunk. I'm probably going to fill the holes, weld up the holes in this whole trunk, sand down the whole trunk, do the body work, respray it, put that on this trunk. That way I can just, you know, swap everything over, or I can just use the current trunk, take that wing off, fill those holes, and respray that trunk. Either way, it's going to have to be painted. So I've got the GTR side skirts. These are fiberglass, very light. These are not like the ones that come on the car. This is an aftermarket kit. I found all this stuff on Facebook Marketplace, and this guy was getting rid of this stuff for a really, 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 really good price. So I could not pass it up. So I got the side skirts. And again, guys, it may not look like much right now, but you know, between me and my brother, we're going to do some fiberglass work on this stuff. This is the GTR N1 bumper. It's got some minor things. This is actually a carbon fiber lip. It is really, really old. So I don't know if I'm going to be able to fix this because it's beat up pretty bad. But we're going to try and see if we can salvage it and redo all this whole thing. And then it's got some minor, you know, cracks, things like that, just like any fiberglass bumper does. But I am like super stoked to get all these things, because that's going to transform that car and make it look really good. I'm not trying to make it a GTR by any means, so I know some of you people are probably going to trash in the comments and things like that. Always trying to make it look like a GTR. The GTR just looks better. In my honest opinion, that bumper looks pretty dopey. So I mean, I don't really like the front bumper. The side of the car looks really plain. The spoilers, it's okay. The car just doesn't have enough flavor right now, and this stuff right here is going to add flavor to the car. So with that being said, I cannot wait to get to work on this thing. So we're going to sand this whole thing down, refiberglass some areas, fill it up, make it really nice again. I want to get all these parts painted before I actually put anything on the car. So that way it'll look nice, and I'll bolt it right up and it'll be perfect. Over here, we've got, these are the other parts I was telling you guys about. That's the brand new timing belt. Nissan water pump, valve cover gaskets, all kinds of stuff. The timing belt tensioners, all kinds of parts in that box from Terra Firma. Got something a little special going right here that I have to do another vlog on. But besides that, and I may actually have something else coming for this car pretty soon that is going to change the way it looks. Not drastically, but it's going to look good. I can't wait to get those either. This is just a quick vlog, kind of like an update on the Skyline. I know some of you guys are all about the Mustang. Yes, the Mustang is still there. I still have plans for it. Everything for the Mustang is a hell of a lot more expensive right now, so with being furloughed, that's not happening. This stuff, I just happened to get I couldn't pass it up. So I actually had already had money set aside for these items. I just couldn't find the items that I wanted and for the price that I got all this stuff for, I could not beat it. So at least this will give me a little bit of a project to work on while I'm off work. So I'll be able to kind of work on this stuff, which will be probably another vlog with fiberglassing and painting and all that good stuff, body filler, and getting all that situated. That's the little desk area that I was talking about. So I've actually got whiteboard and desk and all that stuff set up over here. But anyway, guys, that's going to be it for this vlog. Like I said, I'll probably do another vlog here soon, because hopefully I'll be taking another small road trip to pick up something else for the Skyline that I can't wait to get, because it needs them desperately. It needs it desperately. And yeah, so that's probably it. So appreciate you guys watching. Like, subscribe, hit the bell. Keep it tuned here, guys. I'm trying to put out as much content as I possibly can. I am going to be redoing my new intro here soon. Keep an eye out for that. Keep it tuned for that as well. So please like, subscribe, hit the bell. Really helps out a lot, guys. Again, thanks for watching. Keep it tuned. Lots more to come. Later.
Everybody wanna play me, everybody wanna change me. Nobody ever gonna phase me. No fake accounts like KD. Doing the shit that I want to. Nobody I'll ever run to.
Dressed like a motherfucking god when I reach